I start adding my egg gradually. Remember our white chocolate. I have allowed it to cool completely. All right, can you see that? So we'll be adding it when it's time. I'll let you know. So I'm just going to stop this for a while and scrape it down. So you can see the consistency is totally different. Can you see that? Totally different consistency, okay? So we will be adding in our vanilla flavor now. So I will add my vanilla flavor now, or any flavor of your choice. It doesn't have to be vanilla flavor. I just chose to add vanilla flavor. Okay. So can you see what I'm saying? The mix is totally changed now. Can you see that? So at this point, I'm going to add our flour, yogurt, and our white chocolate, of course. All right. Can you see? Totally changed. Totally changed. Consistency totally different from what we started from. So I'm going to be folding in our flour, yogurt, and then add our melted white chocolate to the mix. Okay, so I will be adding my flour, some of my yogurt, and then I fold it. And I continue the process. Now it's important you don't mix like you're mixing food or pounded yam or amala in our part of the world where we make some kind of food. What I'm trying to say is don't mix too vigorously. So I'm just trying to fold in. I cut through the sides, I cut through the middle. Okay. So I'll add in our last batch of yogurt. And the rest of our flour. continue folding in. So you can see all my flour has been incorporated into my mix. Okay, so I cut through the sides, cut through the middle, cut through the center, middle, center, whatever, and just fold in. Of course, if you have a large quantity to mix, please by all means use your mixer. Okay, use your mixer, but just make sure you, at the point you're adding your flour, you decrease or lower the speed of your mixer. It's very important, because when you over mix flour, the gluten sets in, and that's what makes your cake hard. All right, very important. So you pamper it, you know, pamper it. So remember, we haven't added our melted chocolate. So this is what we'll be adding now. So we add it in batches. So it's already warm. It doesn't have to be completely cold. So I already have it warm. So I fold in. Okay, so my last batch of melted chocolate. See, melted chocolate, remember it? It's already smelling heavenly. So I keep folding in again and mixing, making sure from side, cut through the center, base. Okay. I'm going to pour this into 2 8-inch pan to give me a sandwich. Okay, can you see? So it's important you get it well mixed, smooth. All right, so this is it. We are ready to pour it into our pan and bake now. So in the next lesson, I'm going to be pouring into our pan, baking, and showing you the outcome of what it looks like. All right, it's been nice teaching you, gisting with you, and showing you how to mix the white chocolate cake. All right, so hang on, don't go anywhere. I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye.